Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Well, September is finally here. So to kick off the autumn season, I've set us a pumpkin harvest tablescape. I'm using both new and vintage glass, lots of pumpkins, and an autumn color scheme of earth tones. So let's take a look around the table. For today's tablescape, I'm using a tablecloth that has all the fall tones, rust, burgundy, golds, browns. I picked this up last year on clearance at Big Lots. I'm going to be using a hostess set today. This is vintage. It's King's Crown in the amber glass. And as you can see, it has a little indentation for the cup. I'm going to be using my wood-handled flatware. With a hostess set, you probably don't need the knife, but I thought I would put it on today. This set is a little unusual in that it's large. Most hostess sets are considerably smaller than this one. I'm using gold napkins that I paired with a rusty tone ceramic napkin rings. And I also had these little leaf place card holders. The centerpiece today is one of my floral designs from Rose Tree Interiors, and I've used lots of autumn berries in the earth tones. I've got rust and gold berries, and I've mixed them with what I just call weeds and grasses, and I've put in some apples. To me, this sort of looks like something that you just go by the side of the road and gather it up. And I put it in a hen basket. I'll try to get a shot of it right here. You can see her little head poking out. It's a terracotta basket with a wicker woven handle. And on each side, I've used these hurricane globes. They're not old, they're new. And actually, I think technically they're vases. They have bottoms in them, but I'll try to get a shot here. I've put wood bases underneath them. And they're in the amber glass and they have a swirl pattern. And I picked these up at a thrift store. But I thought they blended really pretty with the vintage glass, the King's Crown thumbprint. Here at this end of the table, I have a striped pitcher. It has the earth tone shades, the gold, brown, creams, and the rusty reds. And I've set it on a platter with all the harvest pumpkins. There's pumpkins and corn and fall leaves. This platter has sort of a woven design. And as you can see down the center of the table, I've also taken a vine, and the berry vine, I've just entwined it under the arrangement and around each end by the candle holders. And I've taken little pumpkins and gourds and just laid them in, basically to cover the vine itself. I keep a few of these berry vines. They come in real handy. If you want, you can use real little gourds and real pumpkins, but the faux ones today are so realistic, you can plop them on the table and don't have to worry about leaving them. But it's okay too, if you want to mix some of the silk berries with the real gourds, you can do that too. But I've just skirted all around the center of the table with these different pumpkins and gourds. teapot here. It has the pumpkins in a woven basket. Here at the front, this is an amber nappy dish. The glass is coin glass, and I put some candy corn in it. A nappy dish is any dish that has a little handle but no lid. I've incorporated a few leaf plates around on the table. I believe I picked those up at Walmart a few years back. The hostess set is quite large. The other hostess sets I have are more the size of a dessert plate, but these are dinner plate size, which is a little bit unusual. I found them a number of years back at Goodwill. And at this end, I have an amber dish with some little pumpkins piled in it. Just about everything on this table, guys, came from either Goodwill or a thrift store. This is a casserole dish. It has an acorn and some fall leaves on the top. And here at the back, I have a silent butler or crumb saver. This one is a little unusual. It is kind of got a rustic cottage scene that's painted on it. I would say this one's probably from the 1970s. Most of mine are formal porcelain sets with flowers painted on them. But I thought this one would be good for today. It has the wood handles and the little brush for you to brush your crumbs in. Got a crate of pumpkins. And I've used an amber cake stand, and on top I've set one of Mother's pumpkin pie plates. Hopefully around Thanksgiving she'll be making us a pumpkin pie to go in that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. I enjoy hearing from you. And give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.